Hi my dear kids, this is Suman on the stage of Subrasing Children Academy. My dear kids, we had completed explanation segment in my last video. So students, today we are going to complete related this chapter some question answer and some word meaning. Okay my dear kids, what is the chapter name dear kids? The bubbles, the straw and the soup. Okay kids, are you ready kids? Yes. So dear kids, first of all write word meaning. Okay, let's start. Word and meaning. Word meaning. Okay, word meaning. Okay my dear kids, so dear kids, first word is float. Float, it means levitate, levitate, levitate means तैरना, means तैरना. Okay, levitate means तैरना. Okay my dear kids, and next is stretch. Stretch means hold out, means hold out, means खींचना या फैलाना, खींचना या फैलाना. खींचना या फैलाना. ओके, स्ट्रेच मीन्स होल्ड आउट, इट मीन्स खींचना या फैलाना. नेक्स्ट थर्ड इज सुक, मीन्स wavered, wavered means हिला, means हिला. Next fourth is splash, means paddle, means छपाक, छपाक. Okay, splash, paddle means छपाक. And fifth is burst, burst means fracture. Fracture means फटना. फ्रैक्चर मीन्स फटना, टूटना भी इसकी मीनिंग होती है, टूटना भी इसका अर्थ होता है। बट यहाँ पे इसकी मीनिंग क्या होगी? फटना। एंड सिक्स इज बिग बैंग, बिग बैंग, okay, big bang, okay kids, means great explosion, it means dhamaka, it means dhamaka, okay kids, it is your word meanings, write in your notebook, okay. First of all dear kids, start new chapter, draw chapter drawing, then write word meaning, then write question answer, okay kids. Now kids, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Answer the following question. Answer the following question. Your first question is, okay, your first question is, name the three friends. Name the three friends. Name the three friends. Name the three friends. Okay. Answer is the bubble, the bubble, the straw, and the shoe. The shoe. Okay, my dear kids. Name the three friends, the bubble, the straw and the shoe. And next question is, where did they go one day? Where did they go one day? Answer is okay. Answer is they went they went they went into the forest. Into the forest. Okay, they went into the forest. वे कहाँ गए थे एक दिन? वे जंगल में गए थे. Okay kids, and your next question is, what did they want to do? Answer is, they wanted to cross the river. Okay my dear kids, they wanted to cross the river. Okay dear kids, now my next question. Dear kids, next is question number 4. How do you make bubbles? Okay, how do you make bubbles? Okay kids, right answer. Answer is liquid soap. Liquid soap and water solution. Liquid soap and water solution. How do you make bubbles? आप बबल कैसे बना सकते हैं, कैसे बनाते हैं? लिक्विड सोप एंड वाटर सोल्यूशन. लिक्विड सोप और वाटर सोल्यूशन. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. What do you wear? What do you wear on your feet? Okay kids, the shoes. Answer is the shoes. The shoes. Okay, answer is the shoes. Okay kids, And kids, your next question is question number 6. Question number 6 is how would you cross a river? Okay, my dear kids, think about. सोचो, हाउ वुड यू क्रॉस अ रिवर? आपको अगर रिवर पार करना है तो आप रिवर को कैसे क्रॉस करोगे, कैसे पार करोगे? यस, वेरी गुड, बाय बोट. आंसर इज बाय बोट. By boat. Okay, my dear kids, I hope understand very well all questions and answers. Sorry. Okay, my dear kids, understand? So I will meet on tomorrow in my next class. Okay, bye bye, thank you.